our project is called 3D Wife. It's a startup idea we had, and it's about the waste problem of prematurely thrown away products. And we want to solve this problem by combining innovative technologies such as the 3D printing technologies to produce spare parts for those kind of everyday products so that they can be easily repaired and don't have to be thrown away too early, and thereby lower their levels of waste.
So we are both very interested in innovation as well as sustainability, and therefore we thought about how to tackle the problem of waste for everyday goods, because too much products are thrown away. And then we came across with 3D printing, and we thought about how we can leverage this kind of technology to solve the current problems that we have in the circular economy. And then we came up with creating a community of 3D printing enthusiasts to develop models for spare parts for everyday goods.
Our biggest challenge is, as we are working with innovative technology and we're both not very into the 3D printing technology, is about understanding the technology, the limitations of the technology, and for us now as well to work with this technology, learn about the 3D modeling, and in the end, everything what has to do with 3D printing.
So we want to create a sustainable business with our project idea. We want to leverage what we learned here in Advantere to make it a viable business.
I would also describe it as inspiring, and finally, it was also a lot of fun for us.